Want stunning 8K aerial shots without spending thousands? Today, in this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 best drones of 2025, from professional 8K aerial photography drones to compact foldable options with GPS and obstacle avoidance. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the latest tech and gadgets to help you get the most value for your money. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. V168 Max Drone. The V168 Max is a professional 8K dual-camera drone with 5G GPS connectivity, brushless motors, and up to a 5 km control range. It also features a foldable design and a built-in screen controller. Customer reviews. Users say the camera quality is outstanding, capturing sharp aerial shots with amazing detail, and the long range makes it ideal for both hobbyists and semi-pros. Pros: 8K Ultra HD dual camera, 5G GPS for stable flight, brushless motors for durability, 5 km long control distance, foldable design for portability. Number 2. SG901 Pro Max GPS Drone. The SG901 Pro Max comes with an 8K HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and a 4.5-inch screen remote controller. It also includes obstacle avoidance sensors, making it safer for beginners and pros alike. Customer reviews. Buyers love the ease of use and safety features, especially obstacle avoidance, which makes flying stress-free even in tight spaces. Pros: 8K camera with GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance system, 4.5-inch screen remote control, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, beginner-friendly controls. Number 3. 900 Lira Pro 4K Drone. The 900 Lira Pro offers 4K HD video recording, GPS stabilization, and a brushless motor designed for smoother flights. With a range of up to 1.2 km, it's perfect for aerial photography enthusiasts who want a reliable mid-range drone. Customer reviews. Reviewers highlight its stable GPS hold and smooth flight performance, making it a great option for first-time drone owners. Pros: 4K HD dual camera, foldable, lightweight design, brushless motor for smoother flights, 1.2 km range, excellent GPS stability. Number 4. S159 GPS Pro Drone. The S159 GPS Pro Drone features 8K dual cameras, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. Its screen-equipped controller provides real-time video feedback, making it a complete package for aerial filming. Customer reviews. Users praise its advanced obstacle avoidance system, saying it prevents crashes while still delivering sharp video and photography. Pros: 8K UHD dual camera, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, GPS for precise positioning, real-time FPV via 5G Wi-Fi, screen-equipped controller. Number 5. SG109 Pro Max Drone. The SG109 Pro Max is a 4K GPS drone with a 5G Wi-Fi FPV system, obstacle avoidance sensors, and a 4.5-inch screen controller. It's designed for aerial photography at an affordable price. Customer reviews. Owners appreciate its clear 4K footage and strong GPS lock, calling it one of the best budget-friendly drones for new pilots. Pros: 4K HD camera, GPS plus obstacle avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, 4.5-inch screen remote. Affordable yet feature-rich. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that's our list of the top 5 best drones of 2025. From 8K professional aerial photography drones to foldable beginner-friendly models, there's something here for every budget and skill level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews every week. Now tell me in the comments which drone would you take for your next adventure. Thanks for watching and happy flying.